What? Huh? What? Okay. I thought y'all was playing. Shh. Hey. Oh, goodness.
Are you teaching my dog to bark?
No, not me.
Half my life to no barking.
It's her. I'm not doing it.
What if I don't want to come in?
Shh. Hi, Sam.
Bark. Don't bark. Don't teach him to bark. No, don't do it. Please.
I'm going outside. Do y'all want to go?
She says the only reason I came in here was so that you'd give me a tea.
Yep. Okay. Finn says, I go.
I don't know about all this stuff yet.
Come on.
Finn. Come on. Good
Sammy?
boy. Good boy.
Sammy?
Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Good boy. Finn, I'd rather you not eat my garden tools. Thank you.
He says, okay, can I get up on top of this?
He hasn't given up on eating the axe yet.
He's like, oh, there we go.
No, don't eat the axe. You can't eat the axe.
He said, well, I tried already eating the pumpkin. We moved it. He got up there on that.
He's already eaten the birdhouse. Took a chunk of wood out of that.
He said, give me something to chew on. He's like, oh, yeah, there it is.
No. Come here, baby. You can't do it. You just can't. I know. I know. It's hard. I'm sorry.
Oh.
I'm sorry. I know. You're a good boy.
Yep.
What is it? Why are you eating the tree? Finn. Why are you eating the tree? He's eating the tree. I'm telling you. He's like the best twigs in the world are in here.
Oh, now he's laying down.
Because he's trying so hard to reach like another inch. He's like, I just have to go another inch. I gotta go see what this is. Sammy, you stay here.
What, did you just bring that branch up here to trash the patio?
Oh, it's okay. It's already trashed. She goes, look, I want this little bitty twig off of it. She's like, oh, smell the flowers. Stop and smell the flowers, everybody. She dragged that whole limb up here.
I know, out from under the tree and then dropped it.
You
decided you didn't want it?
She said, well, it got underneath my feet and irritated me.
Did you finally go back and get that stick? It's a big one.
Check out the face to the left of you. Teaching them to bark and you're teaching them to eat twigs. See, this is why we don't do it. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to go put it in the trash bin. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm going to go put it in the trash bin now.
Oh.
But you did... Oh. Is it like spaghetti? How is that possibly good?
Don't chew it. Don't swallow it. Okay, we're done.
Mama says done. Sorry.
It's on your nose.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
She's like, I'm over
now
it.
he's got this one. No. No. Okay, up in your chair. Come on. Go.
Kids.
Up.
Up.
Now she's tangled on. She says, would you people please get your act together? Yeah. Welcome to our world. Okay,
Exactly.
Sandy, get in your chair. Good girl. That's such a good girl.
She said
This
that's
is going
all
in the
I ever-
trash bin.
All I ever wanted was to get in my chair. Sweet girl. Sweet girl.